Hi everybody, it's Katie Trainer here, and I do murals, I do large scale paintings, I do window paintings. I was asked about how to do window paintings properly, which I don't know why I never thought about producing a video to explain it. So step one is your material. Don't want to get it on your hands. Step two is your tools, which I guess is still part of step one. So you need your brushes or your sponge brushes or whatever. And then you need to choose your material, which I typically use really cheap acrylic paint. So I'll put down like a base coat of white, or you can even use like cheap interior house paint. Just something laying around the house. You can use that for the white, but then for like the actual colors and stuff, I really recommend using just like really, really cheap materials. Which of course, in the future you'll have to come back with a razor blade and use a razor blade and scrape it off. So if you're trying to go for the safe approach, I don't recommend doing that because it takes a lot of time. And if it's cold, you got to use a little sprayer and spray the windows first, let it sit. However, if you're just trying to produce something quick, there's like some little spray chalks you can use. They are water soluble though, as are these. These are really good if you can get inside a building. You can paint on the inside of the window and do some like holiday paintings or window paintings with tempera paint. Tempera paint comes like metallics or just basic colors. This is a way that you can produce a window painting that just spray it with water and wipe it down and it comes right off. Whereas I like to do the approach that I think is most effective, which is on the outside of the windows, such as abandoned buildings or buildings that don't have anybody in the stores, like empty storefronts for a long time, that are just sitting on the main streets looking ugly. This is a really good solution that takes me coming back later and taking care of it and cleaning it up, adjusting it to seasons and stuff. But I find that this is my favorite way to go about it. You get the most color, the most effective variation. But if you're working with students and kids, you definitely want to work with temporary paints. Lots of different styles of that as well. So this is my first video in a series of videos I have to produce about my projects and my work. So look for more.